The Golden Shoes of Kindness. In the village of Aja lived a cheerful boy named David. He was poor but had a very kind heart. One morning, while walking home from school, David discovered a pair of beautiful golden shoes shining beside the road. When he put them on, they magically became the perfect size. A mysterious voice whispered, "These shoes will become brighter whenever you help someone in need." David soon discovered that the shoes were truly magical. On his way home, he saw an old woman struggling to carry a heavy basket. He quickly helped her, and the shoes began to glow. Later, David found a hungry little boy sitting alone. David shared his lunch with him, and the golden shoes shone even brighter. That evening, David noticed that the shoes had become dull again. He wondered why. The next day, he saw a poor farmer whose crops had been damaged by heavy rain. David gathered the villagers, and together they helped the farmer repair his farm. Suddenly, the golden shoes became brighter than ever, filling the village with a warm golden light. David finally understood their secret. The shoes were not meant to make him rich or famous. Their magic grew whenever he used his time and strength to make someone else's life better. David continued helping people every day. Soon, the whole village began helping one another. The village became happier and more peaceful than ever before. David smiled as he looked at his glowing shoes. He realized that the greatest treasure was not the gold on his feet, but the happiness he brought to others. Moral: helping others brings true happiness.